Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So again, before a crash, signals will be there. Okay, so as I have shown you like in the last video, that is last day, our money flow was totally negative while ending, and also like I said several times that Bank Nifty was just taken up to short. So at the end, Bank Nifty was heavily shorted. Nifty was shorted throughout the day, last day, and option chain also, like we saw that it was weak, and also the EOD data was also suggesting that big guys have bought puts and also they bought calls, but I clearly said that the call buying was for the hedging of the short position. So anyways, now you will see that say that the EOD data, how do we know it comes after the market ends. So again, as I said, like money flow works there. So money flow tells us that what the big guys are doing. So I showed it to you. Now today's money flow. Now talking about here, we had a huge gap down, and after the gap down, there was a confusion that whether Nifty will recover, go up or down. So here money flow did a very good job. Like as you can see, like the scores were highly negative. In Nifty, slightly it recovered the score, but as you can see here, that is by 10:39, 10:45, the scores went highly negative. And looking at the charts as well, Nifty came down, and as soon as, like even on the charts, as soon as the day's low is getting down, taken down, you can short. Okay, and also you can see that the money flow is heavily negative. So the money flow went heavily negative at around here, that is 24 250. Let's take 250. So there, from there, like it went to 23,900. So almost 350 points down, and then these levels also, as mentioned earlier, worked beautifully. Like 24 128, 24 161, one of these levels would be giving resistance. It went up, exactly got resistance there, came down, and finally ends there. And also further, are we expecting fall or not? So let's discuss that. So even talking about Bank Nifty money flow, it went highly negative in the morning, and then like even Nifty scored slightly recovered, but Bank Nifty scored, like it was heavily negative. Okay, so even if you look at Bank Nifty as well, so it went straight down. So I hope the money flow helped. And talking about today, so today's trade, even here, that is, I mentioned that mid cap Nifty, I am just looking for sell on rise opportunity. And look at the time, it was 12. So 12, if you look at here, that is what happened in mid cap Nifty. So 12 was like 1150. So this is where, like 1155 to 12. So this is where I updated, that is I'm doing sell on rise, and so two candles, there was a rise, and then after that the selling came. Okay, so that I mean, just it looks small, but even on an expiry day, that gives a huge return. So here, if you coming down to what happened in the members channel, so 1144 was here when this spike came. Okay, so 1144, just right at the top of this spike, I shorted mid cap Nifty and got this nice down move. So here, that is 12 to 50 C shorted at 40, and this went to 15. Okay, so now for the members especially, like I have been telling you that I do trail profits. Okay, so like it went down to 15. So what happens is that while I'm looking at the charts or something, so suppose it went down to 15 and my trailing, it went up, and let's say at 20 or 22 my trailing profits closed, auto close the position. So I'm not looking at my trades, I'm looking at the charts, and I'm looking at the other analysis that I am doing. So what happens is that suppose the price goes to 30, and if I now update it on the channel, you will say that I am doing fake or something. Now the price is at 30, you closed at 20, how it happens, now you are telling. So try to understand that after the trade, if it's giving a nice return, so if it's not, then I'll keep on updating what I am doing. If it's giving a nice return, so it's also up to you as a trader to like trail profits or do whatever you want. And even first of all, these are my trades, these are the big guys, where what they're doing, their analysis. There is no recommendation that you take the trade, whatever. Like all I'm saying is that if you decide to take, then you should also like act as a trader as well. Okay, so now talking about here, that is 12 300 P at 60, bought at 65, and this I closed it at 77. Again there was a spike, and I bought here, that is at 75, and this price went to 90. So I closed it a little early at 77, no regret. 12 300 P again bought at 75 and bought at 70 as well. Like I knew that it was going to go down, so that's why like again I bought it at 70. so that like position ko bhari kiya jaye. So that was the idea, and then the idea was not to average out because it's only at 70. So I bought it at 75. So I increased the position. So and then I closed it at 88, and also like 12,250p. This was bought at 40 and closed it at 41. And after that again I 12,300p bought at 64, and this one like 12,250p bought at 28. Just right after this it went to like 64 went more than 75, and this 28 went to 38 or 37, giving a more than 35% return. So again I am saying that as a trader, so trail your profits, okay? And after that, like whatever I took, it did not mid cap nifty went up, and but it gave several exits, okay? Even after that also, like if you note down, it gave several exits, like here also if you see here, bought at 17, so 1342. So 1342, look at here, that is so 1340. So this is where, okay, so after that also it went up, but again it came down and it was giving nice exits. Exits means like near about the buying price it went, and it was giving exit. So finally, like see that in this market you can't just go you can't go bullish even if it goes up. So chances are that anytime selling can come, because like anytime a big guy can decide that I need to offload my cash loading, okay? So the world markets are everywhere, it's bleeding, so we need to be cautious. And after that, like I took this strategy in Nifty, so let it be for the members only. And also like let me tell you that that is a bearish strategy, and also like gift nifty for now it's also down, and the world markets are still bleeding. Now talking about the other analysis, let's go. Tomorrow we have like fin nifty. So talking about nifty and bank nifty charts, bank nifty also like came down to our exact next level. See, I did not draw any further level between these two levels, so 51,000 to 50,000, and as you can see, like last day it took support there, and finally it breaks and straight away goes down to our next level, okay? So I hope the levels helped. And talking about also here my analysis during the live market hours, so that also I hope it helped. So if my analysis are helping you also, don't I mean you can at least put a like and encourage me to further post such analysis. And also talking about if you want live analysis of the big guys positions, and you want access to the money flow indicators as well, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And also there's a coupon code in the link in the comment section below. So only one position is left, so do take the advantage of the coupon code if you want to join, and if you want to be a part of the derivatives indicator group and catch the big guys during the live market hours. And yeah, talking about let's go to the EOD data. So EOD data, if you come here, that is so long positions are being closed by the FIs. They are making short positions in the futures. Propdex on the other hand, they made long positions today. They also made short positions. So there is a now someone in the Propdex are long and someone in the Propdex are short. So let's look at what they are doing in the option chain. So option chain, if you look at here, Propdex, they closed their put buying positions today, but they took a huge call writing positions, okay? But they did not do any put writing, okay? So talking about here, yes, they did put writing, okay? So it's not looking here. So what happens is that look at the last day put writing. So this is where they closed, okay? So this amount they closed, and then the position were initiated, okay? So that's why it's not looking. But try to understand, like in call writing they have huge position, this amount plus today's, okay? So plus today's amount, so this is like huge. And also like as mentioned, like last day they bought puts, so like slightly increase in the put writing doesn't change anything. So we will comparing like we'll talk about the overall data. So but comparing, we can say that Propdex are overall call writers now, okay? So now look at here, that is FIIs. FIIs are call writers, and they are put writers as well, but put writing is very put writing is in lesser quantity, okay? So and also put buying is there. Last day also they did heavy put buying as well, we saw that. So overall they are like put buyers. Okay, so overall if I is a put buyers and call writers. Talking about here, that is Propdex, they are overall call writers, huge call writers, huge. Okay, and then they are like also put writers, but put writing compared to the call writing side is nothing. Okay, so huge call writing. And option chain is indicating bearishness. And also like talking about, that is the futures. In futures, Propdex are like both long and short. FI is a shorting in futures. Okay, and so futures is kind of like looking neutral for now, slightly bearish to neutral as you can say. And option chain is looking bearish. And talking about, let's go to the option chain. So tomorrow we have FinNifty. So let's go to the FinNifty expiry. So FinNifty expiry, if you look at here, that is like in the money call writers are there. But let's look at the major positions. 6th August, so 23k shorted, like the majorly like 23k has been call written, and 22,800 also call written. Okay, so these are the places where call writers are active. And also like looking at the put side, in the money put writers are closing, and also further also they are closing. As you can see, the OI is not huge. And also like 22,500 some put writers are there. So let's expect that we can have some support there. But again, I would not, put side I would be like very cautious. Call side I will be looking at it as writing. Okay, because put side buyers can also be present. And because huge call writing has been done, and world markets are bleeding. So I mean, see, you have to consider that now market is in a bearish scenario. So put writing, whether it's done or not, doesn't matter to you. You look at it in form of the call writing side. So if it's in the money call writing, you see that further bearishness. Like let's look at Nifty. So talking about Nifty, so this is 8th August. So if you go to the, let's go to the monthly expiry. So monthly expiry, let's see. So you see that 23,500 monthly expiry. Some big guys are like going in the money, and 24,000 also in the money call writers are there. So that's the idea, that is and looking at 8th August, last day also I showed that in the money 24k, right, there were writers present and everything I showed. So and let's talk about Bank Nifty. So if you look at Bank Nifty here, that is again so 50k Bank Nifty is there. So 5,500 call writing, even at 50k call writing is there. And also like some put, again as I said, like I won't be considering them as put writers. So big guys with their put buying also can stay there. And also like looking forward, you see that put side is looking weak. Not only the in the money are closing, out of the money also like not a good sign. So overall things are looking bearish. And yeah, that's my overall analysis. So it will be on us. I'll be looking for sell on rise opportunities, and that will be my final verdict. And again, if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put a like and encourage me. And also if you want live analysis as in the members, as the members get, so be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get complimentary access to the money flow indicators, and access to the Telegram channel, a complimentary access to the Telegram channel, where you get my analysis during the live market hours about the big guys positions and my trade. So anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.